Today we are doing the cabin air filter for a Hyundai i30 FD. It is roughly the same process in any other model. So you start by removing these retainers. You have to push your glove box door in order to press this retainer in, and then with your thumb take it out. If this is the first time you're doing this job, it's gonna be probably quite difficult for you to remove these retainers. Once you have removed these retainers, you need to disattach this rod by pushing it outside of the glove box. It is a little bit hard, but it's not gonna break, so just do it harder. And we have finally reached the cabin air filter housing. It has one clip, so you just need to press and disattach like this. And here you see the air filter. It is divided in two sections, so you can remove it in any order. As you can see, this air filter is restricted and full of dirt, so it's time to replace it. And today we are cleaning as well the AC system. So we are going to use this product. No sponsor, just what I have. It is really easy to use. There are other options in the market, like one that is very popular is the bomb that you just place in the central console and let it run for a while. I think this one is more effective as it's going to be inside the pipes and clean them. If you are following instructions on the box of this product, you will need to pour this product into these vents until the system is full, but I don't do that. I go for each vent so I can clean every single pipe. However, you can do whatever you please. I think it's more effective in the way I'm going to show you. As you can see, I'm just going to use the product in every single vent. So that includes the vents on the dash, underneath the seats, and as well the ones underneath the dash. And if your car has any other vent, I could probably use it as well. Once the product has been released in every single vent, you must leave the product act for at least 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes have passed, start the car and let it run with the heat at maximum and as well maximum speed of airflow, and this will be for at least 20 minutes. Okay, now we are done with the AC cleaning and we are going to install the new air filter. This is from Ryko and that's the part number. No sponsor, just what I have. Just check that the airflow is correct. Many people get confused with this, and this is how you should install this cabin filter. Really easy. Now once you install the door, you need to check that you have no hissing noises or anything from the cabin filter housing. If you have left, for example, leaves inside, it's gonna make a noise. Or if the door is not closed properly, it's gonna hiss. So go through the maximum speed and check that you have no noises and correct airflow. And then you just need to install everything in the reverse order. So to start with the rod, and then the clips. Just need to push again the glove box in and just follow this order. It's confusing if you are doing this the first time. Okay, now you are done. So really easy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.